The power of 1%. How to change your life step by step. Part 1. The problem of perfection. Every person wants a better life. We want to be healthy, we want to be successful, and we want to speak English fluently. But most people have a big problem. They want everything to happen in one day. They wait for a miracle. They think, if I cannot do it perfectly, I will not do it at all. This is the trap of perfection. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Imagine a man named Leo. Leo wants to be a great writer. He sits at his desk and looks at a white paper. He wants his first sentence to be perfect. He thinks and thinks, but he writes nothing. Hours pass, days pass. Leo is still waiting for perfection. He is stuck. Life is not a sprint, it is a marathon. A sprint is short and fast. A marathon is long and requires a steady pace. Most people start their journey like a sprint. They work very hard for 2 days, they get tired, and then they quit. This is why they never reach their goals. Today, we will learn a different way. We will learn the secret of the 1%. Part 2. What is the 1% rule? The 1% rule is simple. You do not need to change your whole life today. You only need to be 1% better than yesterday. This sounds small, right? But listen to the math of success. If you improve by 1% every day for 1 year, you will be 37 times better at the end of the year. Imagine a small seed. When you plant a seed, you do not see a tree the next day. You see nothing. You water it every day. You give it sunlight. For a long time, it stays under the ground. But inside, it is growing. One day, a small green leaf appears. Then a branch. Then a tree. This is the power of consistency. Consistency is doing small things every day, even when you don't feel like it. The world is full of talented people who quit. But the world belongs to the people who show up every day. Success is not a giant leap. Success is a collection of small steps taken with discipline. Part 3. Breaking the mountain, the steps. Tip 1. Focus on the system, not the goal. A goal is a destination. A system is the path. If you only look at the top of the mountain, you will feel tired. If you look at your feet and take one step, you will move forward. Leo stopped focusing on writing a book. Instead, he created a system. I will write 50 words every morning. 50 words is easy. 50 words takes 5 minutes. Because it was easy, Leo did it every day. After 1 month, he had 1,500 words. After 1 year, he had a book. Tip 2. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Or, if you want to start a new habit, make it take only 2 minutes. Want to exercise? Put on your running shoes. That takes 2 minutes. Want to learn English? Watch one short video. That takes 2 minutes. When you start, the hard part is over. The secret of starting is making the beginning very, very easy. Tip 3. Write down your progress. Your brain forgets your small wins. When you don't see results immediately, you want to quit. So, take a notebook. Every night, write one thing you did today. Today, I learned 3 new words. Today, I walked for 10 minutes. When you see your progress on paper, your confidence grows. Clarity gives you power. Tip 4. Environment is everything. It is hard to be 1% better in a bad environment. If you want to eat healthy but your house is full of sugar, you will fail. If you want to study English but your phone is always in your hand, you will fail. Change your room. Put your English book on your pillow. Put your phone in another room. Make the good habits easy and the bad habits hard. Part 4. Overcoming overthinking. Overthinking is a silent killer of dreams. We ask, what if I fail? Or, what if people laugh at me? When you think too much, your energy goes to your fear, not to your action. Strong people are not people who have no fear. Strong people are people who act while they are afraid. Action is the cure for fear. When you take a step, the fear becomes smaller. When you stay still, the fear becomes a monster. Ask yourself, what is the smallest thing I can do right now? Don't think about next month. Don't think about next year. Think about the next 10 minutes. If you win the next 10 minutes, you win the day. Part 5. The Lesson of the River. Have you ever seen a river cut through a hard rock? A river is soft. A rock is hard. How does the water break the rock? Not because of its strength, but because of its persistence. The water hits the rock again and again, year after year. You are the water. Your problems are the rock. If you hit the rock once and stop, nothing happens. If you hit the rock every day with your 1% effort, the rock will break. Do not compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Everyone starts at 0. The person you admire today was once a beginner like you. They were once afraid. They once made mistakes. The only difference is they did not stop. In Part 6, take responsibility. Stop blaming the world. Stop saying, I don't have time, or my English is bad. Blaming others makes you a victim. Taking responsibility makes you a warrior. Even if the situation is not your fault, solving it is your responsibility. You are the captain of your ship. If there is a storm, you must steer the wheel. You cannot control the wind, but you can control your sails. Choose to be 1% better today. Choose to watch one more video. Choose to learn one more sentence. Your future self will thank you for the work you do today. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us today at Easy Flow English. This journey is not easy, but it is worth it. You are stronger than you think. You are wiser than you feel. Remember, stay calm. Break it down. Take action. No excuses. Every problem has a solution, and every dream has a path. The path is the 1%. If this lesson gave you strength, please like and subscribe. Share this with a friend who needs to hear this message. Leave a comment below and say, I am ready for my 1%. See you in the next story. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward, one step at a time. Goodbye for now.